Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. Here we go! Do sharks complain about Monday? No! They're up early, they're biting stuff, chasing shit, being scary, reminding everyone that they're a fucking shark. Is it Monday again already? You see, it comes round every 7 days, so it's never going to be a shock when it does. Flip that attitude around and be more shark. It doesn't complain, they don't drag themselves out of bed, they just chase stuff, biting everyone and being scary. Why not just become the next apex predator in whatever you do and see if you can become more shark?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.